Welcome to this step-by-step guide on switching to inbox mode in responses on WordPress. The process takes around 5 minutes and is designed to streamline how you manage feedback on your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage appears, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this login button will take you to the authentication screen. On the login page, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. Instead of entering a username and password manually, select this option. A pop-up or new window will appear, displaying the Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the account you wish to use for signing in. This method offers a secure and efficient way to log into your WordPress account using your existing Google credentials. After you have successfully signed in, you will need to access the feedback section. In your WordPress dashboard, find the link that directs you to the feedback area. This section is dedicated to all the user responses and comments on your website. Clicking this link will open the feedback view where you can review and manage all the received feedback conveniently. Once you are in the feedback section, direct your attention to a view option located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on view will change the layout of the feedback messages into a more dynamic overview. This user-friendly view organizes your feedback so that you can quickly assess and respond to inquiries, making content management more effective. The final step is to switch your display to inbox mode. In this area, there is an option that allows you to switch to inbox mode. When you click on switch to inbox, the interface rearranges itself into a layout that closely resembles an email inbox. This change provides a clear, organized view of every response, making it simpler to sort through, search, and act on each message individually. The visual transformation into an inbox-like display helps manage all your site communications more efficiently, giving you a modern and streamlined tool to handle feedback. The entire process has been designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. By using the Continue with Google method, you benefit from a more straightforward and secure login process that saves time. The transition to the feedback section and the subsequent steps are crafted to minimize complexity, while offering you a more intuitive experience when sorting through visitor responses and inquiries. Before you begin, consider ensuring that your browser is updated and that your internet connection is stable. This precaution helps avoid interruptions and guarantees that each page loads quickly and correctly. Once you have switched to inbox mode, you can explore the interface at your leisure, familiarizing yourself with the new layout and discovering additional features designed to enhance your workflow in managing feedback on your website. Following these instructions, you will have successfully transitioned to inbox mode in WordPress, making your response management both accessible and organized. Enjoy the improved functionality as you continue to manage your site's interactions with ease.